This is the video for square 19 of the Rosy Outlook crochet along. So with square 19, it says to chain 36, and that's what I've done here. And then for row 1, we're going to double crochet in the 4th chain from hook. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. And just go right in there. And then we are going to double crochet into each chain across. So at the end, we should have 34 double crochets. And that's just one per chain. All right, so go ahead and do that, get across, and we will meet back for row 2. Okay, so here we are. We've finished row 1, which is just double crochets all the way across. And now we're going to do row 2. Row 2, we chain 3 and turn. And then we are going to skip the first 2, 1, 2 double crochets. And then we're going to do a V-stitch. And the V-stitch is simply double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, all in the same space. Okay. And then we're going to skip the next 3, 1, 2, 3. And we're going to do 5 double crochets in the next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And so that creates a shell. And then we are going to skip 3, 1, 2, 3, and we're going to do another V-stitch. Chain, so that's a double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. And then we're going to skip 3, 1, 2, 3, and do 5 double crochets. Do another shell. All into the same double crochet from the row below. Okay, whoops. So you see our pattern here. We've got a V-stitch, 5 double crochet shell, V-stitch, shell. And we're going to keep doing that. So skip 1, 2, 3, and then V-stitch into the 4th. And then 1, 2, 3, and then 5 double crochets. Oops. And 1, 2, 3, and do a V-stitch. And 1, 2, 3, do a shell. All right, so now we are left with 1, 2, 3 double crochets. And so we are going to skip 2 and just do 1 double crochet in that last, in the top of that chain, the turning chain. And that's what you should have now. All right, so now move on to row 3. Row 3 is chain 3, turn, and then double crochet into each double crochet and chain one space until the end. So you'll have 5 double crochets across the 5 double crochet shell, and then a total of 3 double crochets for the V-stitch, because we're going to do a double crochet, and then double crochet. 1 in each of the 2 double crochets from the V-stitch and 1 in the chain space as well. So just go across, do double crochets in each double crochet and chain space, and then next you're going to repeat rows 2 and 3 until you get to the height that you need. And then as always, add your single crochet border on the end.